August 23rd, 2017. Well, the thunderstorm that I said was coming in last night came, along with some wicked winds, and flattened out an awful lot of the corn, especially the fourth planting. It basically looks like it was rolled under for no-till, almost. And it was due for a 38-day foliar feed today. Not sure if I'm going to foliar feed them or not. I have a feeling they're not going to stand back up without help, and that's a lot of work, so I don't know. But the Dakota black corn and the Hopi blue flower corn sustained minimal damage, so at least that. So I'm thankful for that. Anyway, just thought I'd share an update. Thanks for watching the Farmacy Seeds Network.